Hi, I'm Terry Morgan. I'm the Executive Director of Borealis, a Festival of Light, the newest event in Seattle, brought to you by Comcast. Here at the Museum of History and Industry, you're going to see the most spectacular lighting display ever produced on the West Coast. We've got artists from 6 different countries coming to showcase video mapping.
Video mapping is a special art form which is really engaged with the technology. I can say it's a new form of a firework. You know, in the old times we had fireworks, now we can do projection mapping. The people are excited, they're coming here, they love it because it's something new. They not really understand how it is working. The building starts to move, the music is coming together with the picture, and you are just saying, wow, what is that, how it is working. It's really something spectacular, what everybody has to see.
Along with 25 different installations all throughout South Lake Union.
The work is really fun. It's interactive. It takes art outside of the galleries and the museums and puts it in the public space where everyone can enjoy it. This is work that children can respond to, but that also will challenge the most critical observers.
Comcast presents Borealis, a Festival of Light, Seattle, Washington, October 11th through 14th, South Lake Union Park. Free tickets available online, borealisfestivaloflight.com.
I want to thank our sponsors for making this possible. Thank you to Comcast, Amazon, Audi, the Department of Neighborhoods, and our media sponsors, Como TV, The Bull, Warm, and Moving.